Hello there, Scorpions. Welcome back. And in this video series, we'll be talking about the fundamentals of Python programming for absolute beginners and for those who have had experience in other programming languages but are trying to gain an understanding onto how programming is done in Python. Now, in this particular video, I will be explaining what Python is, why we should program in Python, and some of the common applications of Python programming. So, Python programming is a high-level programming language that is used for general purposes. And when we say Python is a high-level programming language, what we mean is it is a computer language that translates human language into a computer readable format. That is simple to say. Computers also understand their own language, and computers receive instruction in the sets of zeros and ones. And so Python as a computer programming language translates human readable language into a computer readable format so that computers are able to understand what we say to them and then be able to give us feedback in return. And so, why should we program in Python? Number one, we should program in Python because Python code is easily readable and maintainable, meaning Python, unlike other programming languages, emphasizes on code readability and allows you to use English keywords instead of punctuations. And so, a readable and clean code base will help you to maintain and update your software without putting extra time and effort. Another thing is Python also supports multiple programming paradigms, and it supports multiple programming paradigms like object-oriented programming, aspect-oriented programming, and at the same time, Python also features a dynamic type system and automatic memory management. Another reason why we should be able to program in Python is Python is compatible with most major platforms and systems. That is to say, you can run Python programs or Python code on different operating systems without the need of having to recompile or even check on your code again before actually running it on a particular system. So it makes it easier for you to make changes to code without even increasing the development time because it's compatible with most of the major operating systems that we have. Then Python also has a robust standard library. That is to say, Python has different modules and frameworks to support your specific need. So if you are programming in Python and you need to do, like, for example, a web application, you can use specific modules to implement web services, to perform string operations, manage operating system interface, or work with the internet protocols. So a robust standard library for Python makes it another choice as a programming language for you out there. And another reason that is most important is we should program in Python because it has got many open source framework and tools. That is to say, you don't need to purchase a framework in Python to actually accelerate your development, or rather, there are several modules and libraries of Python that exist freely that you can use to develop your applications or perform certain tasks without actually having to pay for them. And some of these frameworks include like Django, Flask for web development. We have stuff like PyGUI for um, desktop applications and very many other source of frameworks. And then Python also enjoys huge community support. Like, there are very many people out here programming in Python. So whenever you are stuck in Python programming, it's easier to reach out to a community, either online or just in your local community. It's easier that way, because then you are able to find many people who are willing to assist you with your problems. Um, and so that's all for now. I think that we need to know about why we should really program in Python. And some of the common applications of Python programming are like: one, Python programming can be used for web development, and web development, it uses frameworks like Flask and Django. And some of the websites built off of Python, or web applications built off of Python, include like Instagram and Reddit. And then Python can also be used for data science in data visualization and representation. We have frameworks like Matplotlib that are used in data science. And then Python also is used in machine learning and deep learning. So in machine learning, it uses frameworks such as scikit-learn and TensorFlow. And then we also have other areas such as scripting. Now, scripting is an understanding of scripting is that scripting is just using simple code snippets to automate daily tasks that are to be repeated. An example would be uh, having um, um, like writing a Python script that automatically sends emails to your employees at the end of the month, telling them maybe to follow up on something, or maybe informing them that their checks have been posted. And so those are some of the common applications that we have to use Python for. And there are very many several other uses of Python out there, and you can read more about that. But that's it for now, guys. And until next time, see you.